everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share this wig with y'all. I'm sure right now you all recognize the orange packaging. It is from I Like Hair. Everything in this box is pretty standard with I Like Hair. They include a wig cap, a wig styling kit, which includes an elastic band, some hair clips, an edge brush, one of their signature I Like hair clips, and also, of course, a rat tail comb. Now, this unit from I Like Hair is one of their newest wigs. You can find it in their new arrivals on their website. It is the Wear and Go Jerry Curly with natural edges, pre-cut 5x5 lace closure bob wig. That is exactly how it's listed on the website. Now, this is a human hair wig. It comes with Swiss HD lace and it has some very realistic kinky curly edges. And the lace does come pre-cut. I did not cut the lace. That is the way that it came straight out of the box. The hair also comes parted and styled in a left side part, but it is a 5x5 closure, so you can part it also in the middle and on the other side as well. Now, this is a glueless unit, but I gotta admit the cap construction on this unit was very different from any other wig that I've seen. I was surprised to see that there was not a single comb on this unit. But as you can see, it does come with an adjustable elastic band, and the elastic band can be moved to 3 different slots on the side of the wig for extra security. And I know what you're thinking, can it really be secure without any combs? Yes, and I'll show you guys towards the end of this video. This wig is actually very secure, despite the fact that there are no combs in the cap. Now, as far as wig prep, the only thing I did to this unit was add a little bit of contour powder to the lace of the wig, that way that it matched my actual skin tone. And this is something that I do with all wigs because most lace comes pretty light and ashy, and this just makes it blend seamlessly. And here's a closer look at those slots that I mentioned earlier. As you can see, there's 3 different slots that you can put the adjustable elastic band. I put the band closest to the front of the wig, if that makes sense, like closer to the lace. That way it's very tight and very secure. And I also tightened the strap on this wig because I am part of a small head gang. I do tend to make my wigs a little bit tighter because I do have a smaller head. And this video is not sped up, y'all. It literally took me, and I counted, 26 seconds to put this wig on. Now, I thought I was going to have to adjust it after I got it on, but I didn't. And I was like, what? I just plopped it on my head and it was good to go. And I'm not sure if y'all have noticed by now, but I definitely like big hair. So the bigger the better for me. I did spend a couple minutes just fluffing it out and pulling the curls apart a bit to make it bigger and then get a little bit more volume, but that's not necessary. If you prefer the more defined look, I would say just leave it as is, the way it came straight out of the box. And I also, after playing around with it, decided to part the edges because I noticed that the part didn't go all the way into the hairline. And you know how when you're doing your hair, like if you part it on the side, if you have natural hair, you part it all the way into the hairline. So I did that just so it would mimic my natural hairline, and you can't tell me that it's not giving scalp. Baby, this is my real hair. And trying on this wig was so nostalgic for me because it definitely reminded me of my hair, my real natural hair back when I used to wear it in 2019, my college years. This is exactly what my hair used to look like before I, switched to the creamy crack. And that's one of the things that I really enjoy about I Like Hair. They make some of the best realistic wigs for women with textured hair. And you can see what I was talking about before, that this wig is very snug. I actually had a very hard time getting the comb underneath the lace to show y'all that it's glueless because it was so tight. But yeah, I didn't use any glue, no spray, no hair gel, no Gatsubi, ebon lace, none of that. This wig is actually very secure, very snug, and I'll do a little shake and pull test for you in a minute. The hair is very soft, very full, very bouncy. It is so much like very healthy natural hair. And this wig is called a Jerry Curl, but it honestly reminds me of a 4B hair texture. I wouldn't call it a Jerry Curl. I get why they call it a Jerry Curl, but it's definitely giving natural 4B hair, like a really good twist out. And let me not forget to mention, because I know somebody's going to ask, this wig comes in 2 different lengths. It comes in 12-inch and 14-inch. I do have the 14-inch. It goes all the way down to my shoulders. It's a nice, decent bob length. And I have absolutely no complaints about this wig whatsoever. I am in love with this wig. And what I love most about it is how much it looks just like my hair. Like, it looks like my hair growing out of my scalp. It has the exact same texture as my hair all the way around. And right now, I Like Hair is having a Black Friday sale, so you can get this wig on discount with no coupon code needed. All the information will be, of course, in the description box below. I really appreciate you watching this video all the way through to the end. And if you all enjoy this type of content, you can help support me by liking or sharing this video and also subscribing to my YouTube channel. This will help my content get the visibility that it needs and also create better opportunities for me in the future. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully I'll see you all in the next one.